Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Subhashi and I am thrilled to have you here. So many people are curious about project management but feel they lack the knowledge to get started. I am here to change that. I'm ready to teach you how to easily learn about project management and use it to your advantage. Today, we are going to dive into the world of project management. At its core, a project is a temporary effort designed to create a unique product, service, or result. The term temporary simply means it has a defined beginning and end. The outcome, however, can be long lasting. Think about building a new faculty building at university. The project has a clear finish date, but the building itself will serve students for decades. To understand how projects are managed, we need to talk about the triple constraint, often called the project management triangle. These are the three competing factors that all project managers must balance: scope, time, and cost. The key takeaway here is that if you change one of these, you will likely affect at least one of the others. For example, if you expand the project scope, it will probably take more time and cost more money. A project manager is far more than a typical boss. They are a strategic navigator, guiding a project toward its goals and aligning it with the organization's overarching mission. Unlike a traditional manager who might oversee a department's day to day operations, a project manager is focused on the finite life cycle of a project from its initiation to its successful completion. They are not just giving orders, they are enablers, empowering the team to overcome obstacles and achieve success. This role demands a strong balance of people skills, effective communication, and sharp problem solving abilities to ensure every team member is aligned and productive. Now, let's look at the life cycle of a project. Project management is a systematic process with five main steps. First one is initiation. This is where you define and authorize the project. Next, planning. You create the roadmap for how the project will executed. Third one, executing. This is the pace where the actual work gets done. Next, monitoring and controlling. This happens continuously to track progress and make sure everything is on track. Final closing. You formally complete the project and hand over the final product. Now I will explain about these five main steps, taking examples. Let's consider a company. Innovate Solutions tasks with developing a new mobile banking app. The project manager Alex is the person responsible for steering this ship. Initiation. Alex starts by defining the project scope and objectives. He works with stakeholders and determine key features, set a realistic budget, and establish a timeline. He then assembles a team of developers, designers, and quality assurance specialists. Planning. Next, Alex creates a detailed project plan. He breaks down the app's development into smaller, manageable tasks like user interface design, back end development, and security testing. He assigned these tasks a team members and set clear deadlines. Next one, execution. During development, Alex acts as a facilitator. He holds daily stand up meetings to check in progress. address any roadblocks, and ensure communication flows smoothly between the design and development teams. For instance, when the back end team discovers a technical limitation that impacts a planned feature, Alex doesn't just tell them to fix it. Instead, he brings both team and together to brainstorm a solution, perhaps by slightly modifying the feature or finding an alternative technical approach. Monitoring and control. Alex constantly tracks the project progress against his initial plan. If a task falls behind schedule, he doesn't micromanage. Instead, he sits down with the team members to understand the issue, relocate issues, reallocate resources if needed, and help them get back on track. He might also create a contingency plan for potential risk, like a sudden bug that could delay the launch. Closer. Once the app is complete and launched, Alex ensure all projects documentation is finalized and conduct a post-project review with the team to celebrate success and learn from challenges. In this scenario, Alex isn't just a boss, he's a leader who uses his skill and anticipate problems, empower his team, and keep the project moving forward. Even when faced with unexpected challenges, he is the bridge between the team's technical work and the company's strategic vision. So, thank you for joining me today.